Hello my loves, it's your girl Serena back with another YouTube video. In today's video we'll be preparing for December. Today is December 1st, so yeah, it's frosty season, let's call it like that. Frosty season. I'm actually quite happy, quite excited for this month because I actually love December. So I actually did my goals already. So I put out all my goals and they are very much realistic. For November, I think I had about 2 or 3 goals that I didn't get to accomplish, and one was my weight, so that's okay. I brought it down a notch for December because I was like, okay, 52, I'm not hitting 52, so I'll just put it back to 51 and we're gonna try and work on 51. In this video you'll see most of the things that you could do to reset for the new month, things that will make you feel better, for you to reflect, some shadow work, journaling, going on a walk, you know, type of stuff like that. I just want to wish you guys a happy new month, new blessings, new opportunities. Don't let life overwhelm you guys, don't let life beat you guys down. You know, it's a battle, but don't be defeated, that's for sure. Let me look for a little prayer on Pinterest for you guys. If you are here and talking, it's my dad.
My bad. So what it is?
Yeah, sorry, I got a little distracted there. Prayer for spiritual growth in the new month. Dear Lord in heaven, help me grow in your faith. Let my spiritual life be strengthened always. Be a light unto my path. Be a light unto my path. Do not let the darkness overcome me. Let me withstand any hardship that comes on me. Let my days be filled with testimony. Let me strive to do your work each day. Let me never sway from the path and purpose you have prepared for me. Use me as your instrument and let me not live for myself but for you. Amen. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, prayer for blessings and opportunities. Dear God, I'm grateful for the life you have given to me. Thank you for being merciful and loving in my life. Thank you very much for everything you do for me. In this new month, I pray for your continued blessings on my life. Please open new doors of opportunities for me. I pray that you will also restore any opportunities that I may have missed in the past. Please open my eyes so I don't miss any more opportunities. Let your blessings abound in my life. O Lord, guide me and help me to encounter the right people in my life. Teach me how to hear your voice when you speak. Amen. I felt that one. Yeah. I'm gonna share a different one on my Instagram story. If y'all not following me on Instagram, y'all are missing out big time, okay? So I just shared it to my story. But yeah, check me out on Instagram. Follow me there. I am way more active on there. And y'all get to see like behind the scenes of my life and sorry. You know, behind the scenes of my life and stuff that you don't necessarily get to see in the vlogs, because it's either I don't get a chance to vlog it or I find that it's not vlog worthy.
sacrifices, that you're full of wisdom here, okay, in your actions here, okay. So Spirit is saying focus on progress in your life, focus on movement. Some of you guys are repaying a lot of karmic debt. That's what Spirit is letting cycle begins for you. Is there a new love coming in towards you?
What is that?
6 o'clock already. Shit.
Y'all saw me clean my space, my devices. I empty out most of my pictures. I still need to go through my pictures because I still have a lot that I need to get rid of. But that's that. I was gonna update my board, but it doesn't need much updating, so I could just leave it how it is as it is. I goal set a content plan for the month of December already. This video will be out tomorrow, so I'm actually trying to like get it out the way so I could edit it today self and then have it up for tomorrow. I also budget. I don't really know how much money I spend in November, but definitely out of my budget. So for December, which is the month where you just spend the most money for gifts and stuff, I'm going to try and like do things within my budget, which is 500, and I already have 250 that's out of the way for bills. So it's like I only have 250 to spend, so I need to pick wisely who's gonna get gifts from me this year. And the thing is, I really want to buy myself an expensive gift. I want to buy myself the Miss Dior perfume, but it might have to be just for my birthday. I need to go clean my car a little bit. It's clean, but I just need to like dust off the mat. So we're gonna go do that. I did my skincare this morning. I also shaved my arm as well. It's a bit dark. I need a little remedy for it actually. But yeah, we're gonna deal with that within the month. I didn't finish my homework. I'm here. What? Y'all saw my y'all saw my mood board. Yeah, I love it. I found it on Pinterest. Like it just came to me, and like I tried to look for it back on Pinterest and I can't find it. So I was like really glad that when I saw it, I saved it one time, and it has 2023. The vision. It's not custom made for me because obviously I just found it off of Pinterest. But y'all can make custom ones for you guys. Like you take pictures off of Pinterest and you put them all together on a collage on Canva, and then just put it as your wallpaper. So yeah, let me know in the comments how y'all feel about December. If December is a favorite time of the year for you guys, because it is for me. I love gifts. You know, I love gifts, and I think I love surprises. I think I love surprises because I never actually had someone surprise me. So it's like I'm not really too sure, you know, but I think I would love surprises. Yeah. Anyways, let me go and clean my car, and then I'm gonna be right back. So you like to play in my lane. Tell me why I leave my car here, park up overnight, and a spider decided to make his whole house on the